Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone, and I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everyone. I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everybody, right? So let's start with uh, the slim. I guess you can turn on the CC most probably, but live session I don't think they will give you the option. Once it becomes recorded, then you will get the option for the Subhash. Hi, how are you, brother? Acha, sir. Before I start, let me just say the objectives or the agenda of this session. So again, we are solving for speed. We are solving for different questions for speed in different sessions. But again, this is a very exclusive session where we will try to solve a little difficult questions, harder level questions, some lengthier question, some lengthy questions. Again, that doesn't mean we are going to solve something cat level or something. We are going to be remaining within the boundaries of CGL. But again, the difficult like looking questions of CGL, we are trying to venture into those. Okay. So you will get a good practice and you will also be prepared if something goes wrong. If they give you a little difficult questions, few 2-3 questions will always be difficult in your paper. So those bases will also be covered for you guys. So without further ado, let's start with the sessions. Gaurav, hi, how are you? So again, the first question is right here in front of you guys. So again, many questions are from CGL 25, few are from like the previous years as well. So there are mix and match of everything. Mix and match of everything you will have. So first question right in front of you. Two bottles of same capacity are 35% and 33 whole 1 by 3%, meaning one third filled, full of orange juice respectively. They are filled up completely with apple juice and then contents of both bottles are emptied into another vessel. The percentage apple juice in the mixture will be how much? Now please understand, in the first bottle, sir, bottle number 1, you see how I'm thinking. Sir, there are orange juice already and I'll fill the apple juice like rest of the way. And in the second bottle, sir, bottle number 2, so the same thing, orange juice is already there, I'll fill the apple juice. Now 35% is there, the orange juice in the first bottle. So remaining 65% I'll fill as the apple juice. So ratio will become 5 sevens of this, 5 13s of this. Over here, what will happen? So 33, meaning this is one third. One third is already full. So 2/3, meaning can I say this is one third is full of orange juice. So remaining 2/3 I'll fill with this. So my ratio of orange juice to apple juice is this. Now they are saying same capacity both are. Now both the same capacity vessels, now they are emptied into another vessel. Now please understand, sir, the best way to solve from this type of situation, so total here is 20 units, 7 plus 13. Total here is 3 units, 2 plus 1. So take the LCM. I'm thinking this both the bottles is of 60 liters each or 60 units each, whichever you prefer. So over in the bottle 1, sir, how much apple juice is there? Apple juice will be 13 parts. So 13 parts out of 20 parts. So 60 meaning, sir, thrice. So can I say 39 liters? Thrice of 13. Similarly, sir, 2 parts apple juice over here out of 3. So it is 20 times. So this will also be 20 times, meaning 40 liters, sir. Out of this is this much apple juice. I need percentage. How much total like juice, sir? 60 liters from here, 60 from there, meaning total 120 liters. Percentage will be in 200. Sir, 5, this is 6, 79 times 5 by 6. 79 times 5 into this. So, chalo calculate. Sir, 5 8s are 400. 4 meaning, so this will be 395 by 6. 6 6 are 36. 35 meaning just less than 60, 66%, I guess. So 36, 35 meaning 65 whole 5 by 6. will be your correct answer, sir. Will be your correct answer, sir. Yes, Subhash, option B is most definitely your correct answer. Again, you see, the questions are not going to be difficult. The questions, they are not going to be difficult, but the questions are going to be a little tricky. Not exactly like, sir, this is 35%, this is 20%, they are alligated, meaning they are mixed together. What is the percentage? So we are doing some better quality questions. That's all. Let's do the next one, please. Let's do the next one, please. This one. Chalo, 30 seconds time you have. 30 seconds time. I'm giving you a timer of 30 seconds, everyone. 30 seconds, sir, for thinking. Do this, everyone. Do this, please. Everybody. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Sir, time is up. Anyone? Subhash has given answer as 42. 42, option A. Anybody else? Chalo, let's think. Let's think. Vessel contains two liquids A and B in this ratio. 10 liters have been taken out and replaced with quantity B. Ratio of A and B now becomes this. The quantity of the solution was what? Sir, again, there are multiple ways of doing this. Some prefer to go by options as well. But I generally say, if the option over here, first option, so if we go by options, the answer will not take us very long. But again, if the option, the correct answer was last, option D, then it was a little problem. So it's better, na? Let's understand the proper way. Then we can do it by options as well. Let's first understand the proper way, sir. Sir, 5:3, sir. Now, out of this 10 liters that I've taken out, so over here, liquid A is to liquid B. So this is 5:3, sir. Now, the 10-liter solution that I've taken out, sir, from this, sir, over here also, A is to B was 5:3. So A liquid, so again, if I take this was 5x liters initially, 3x liters. So how much A liquid will be there, sir? Sir, out of this, how much liquid A was there? 10 into 5 parts out of 5 plus 3, 8 parts. 2 fours, 2 fives. So 25 by 4 liters. So 25 divided by 4 liters. This much A will be taken out because I've taken it out. Now it is replaced by B. In replacement, this is where you save time. Again, you can do the same calculation for B as well, but I will not. Why? Because I know if I'm replacing with the same quantity, total volume of the solution will remain constant. Total volume of the solution was initially 5x plus 3x, 8x. So now it will also be 8x. Out of 8x, A is this. So B will be, sir, just subtract minus 5x minus this. So it will be 3x plus 25 by 4 actually. So this ratio is given to you as this. A is to B. So I can simply write 5x minus this by 3x plus this is 10:11. So cross multiply 55x minus. Again, don't multiply this. Keep it accordingly. This is 30x plus 11 into 25 by 4. So next one, sir, 25x becomes 25 by 4, 11 and 11 is 22, sir. 25 gone, x becomes 11 by 2, sir. Now, initially, how much solution was there? So this was 8x liters. So 8 times this is this. Sir, I'm getting 44 as the answer, brothers. I'm getting 44 liters as the answer. How did you took Kumar will like I'll go back to this, but I am getting brother 44 as the answer. 11 by 2. 11 by 2 into 8. Uh, yes, I'm getting 44 as the answer. Everyone. Not 42. Subhash, please check this once. Please check this once, everyone. So, two other answers are also saying 42 again. But again, have you done it or just like saying 42? Have you done that or just saying 42? I can check once if I have done any mistake in calculation. 25, the ratio was 5 is to 3. So 5 by 8, 4, 5, 25 by 4, 25 by 4, 3x plus this 11, 55, 25, 30. And this. So this will be 25x. It will be 25 by 4, 22. 25 gone. Sir, I cannot see any mistake. 22, 11 by 2. 11 by 2, no sir, 44. 44 ही तो आ रहा है भाई मेरा. Whatever I'm doing, I'm getting 44 only, brother. Whatever I'm doing, I'm getting 44 only. Whatever I'm doing, I'm only getting 44. Anyone? I can, oh, like the one way to check is by like kind of doing it from forward or by options. 42. Ratio of A is to B. No, sir. I'm getting 44 only, and I cannot find any mistake. Hi, how are you? No, 44 is the correct answer. If you want, I can cross check once, but I don't think there I'll get something wrong. 44 out of that 10 liters, meaning 25 minus 4. This will be how much? 176 minus 25 by 4. 151 by 4. No, दिक्कत हो रहा है सर. No, sorry. This is not 44. 44 into 5 by 8. Just calculate this now. 22. This is 4. Okay, let's keep this. 4 here. This is 110 minus 25. This is going to be 95. No, sir, it's correct. 44 ही आंसर आ रहा है सर. 44 ही आंसर आ रहा है सर. Please check your calculations. 42 से नहीं आ रहा है because of the 6. अच्छा, somebody asked me something about the previous one. Sir, Manoj, I guess, most probably, sorry, Kumar, how you took 120 in last question? Where I have taken 120, brother? This 120. If that is your question, brother, please understand, this is the percent, they are asking percentage of apple juice in the mixture. So in the mixture, I have taken 60 liters from bottle 1 and 60 liters from bottle 2. So total mixture over here will be 60 plus 60. Hence, I'm writing 120, brother. Okay, perfect. Chalo, next one, please. This is the next one. Jaldi se banao, everyone. Everybody, I'll give you 1 minute. Here, I'll give you 1 minute. This is a good question. Jaldi se banao, sir. Everybody. Do this, please. I'm still confused with the last question. Calculations, I didn't find any mistake. Please see the calculation once, huh? एक बार देखना. Because all 3 or 4 answers I got as 42, and I only was giving the answer as this. So it might be my mistake as well. It might be my mistake as well. Right? It might be my mistake as well. So एक बार check कर लेना, sir, calculations. Please do the. I'll check if I get time. Acha, let's do this. Let's do this. I'm quite. Acha, let's. Large container 50-liter mixture of juice and water in this ratio. In this mixture, 60-liter juice and water mixture is added, which has a ratio of this. After this, 11 liters this was replaced. So again, you see, after addition, then they are doing the replacement. Chalo, let's see. So 50 liters juice and water, try to do it a little quicker. 50 liters, 3:2, meaning 30-liter juice, 20-liter water. Can I say this? Now 60 liters juice, 6 liters juice and water mixture, ratio is this. So 60-liter ratio is 3 parts, meaning 1 part is 20. So meaning 40 liters juice, 20 liters water, sir. So that means now in the situation we have 70 liters juice, ratio 40 liters water, 7:4 is the ratio, juice is to water. Now 11 liters of this solution, you see 7 plus 4 is 11 only, meaning 10% of the solution is being replaced with pure juice. Okay, what is the ratio, sir? 11 liters of the solution I have taken out. So meaning how much juice and how much water will be there, sir? Always calculate the thing that you are not replacing it with. So I'll calculate water. So out of 40, 10% will go out because 11 liters meaning 10%. So meaning 4 liters will go out. So there will be 36 liters remaining. Now, again, total 110 liters, 70 here and 40 here. Juice and water mixture, it will remain as 110. So how much juice will be there, sir? 110 minus 36. So this will be, sir. So this is 36 meaning 64. This is 74, sir. So this will be 37:18, sir. That's your correct answer. Achha, juice and water, na? Water to juice, they are asking. Again, this is something, again, that's why I have waited. Generally, this is a very common thing. Water to juice, they will interchange. So answer will be option D, not A. Answer will be option D, but not A, sir. Again, this is something that they do on a regular basis, sir. On a regular basis, sir. You see, and if you are not careful, you will do everything correct and make a simple mistake at the end. ठीक है? अच्छा. Before I move to the next question, allow me 1 second to take a picture of this, huh? Allow me 1 second to take a picture because I'll try to figure out if I've done something wrong, calculation wise. Yeah, this is a good question, sir. Again, I'll give you a minute's time. Again, I'll give you a minute's time, sir, everyone. Please try to solve. Please try to solve, sir. Again, if anyone has doubts, please ask. I'll definitely repeat this. But first you try. First you try this, please. Anyone, sir? Any answers? Any answer, sir? Sir, I found my mistake. I have found my mistake, sir. Extremely sorry. 42 will be the answer. I have found my mistake in the last question. That question. Too difficult. No, brother. These are all PYQs. You ask me, I'll give you the exam name. I'll give you the exam name. Okay? With along with shift and everything. I've not taken a single question which was not asked in SSC. Sir, a milkman uses 3 containers for selling milk. Their capacity is being 40 liters, 30 liters, 20 liters respectively. So we'll go back to that question. Let me complete this first. He fills up this much. Sir, for those who don't know, this is 7 by 8. 1 minus 12.5%. 80% we all know 4 by 5, 9 by 10. With a mix of milk and water in these ratios. Okay. What is the ratio of the total quantity? Sir, again, just a few lines of calculations on. That's all. Sir, first things first. First container, 7 by 8 he filled up. So 7 by 8 of 40 liters. So 8 parts is 40. So 1 part is 5. So 35 liters is the capacity. This he has filled up with milk and water in this ratio, 3:2. So here milk is there and water is there. How much? Sir, milk will be, sir, total 5 parts is this, 1 part is 7, sir. 5 parts is 35. So 3 sevens are 21 liters milk and 14 liters of water. Now, second one. Second one, sir, 4/5 is filled. Of what? This. So 5, 6 of this, 24 liters is the capacity. Second container. Here also milk and water both are there. Sir, 5:1 is the ratio. Now, that means 6 parts are 24, 1 part is 6. So 6 liters are here. And 5 parts will be, sorry, 6 plus 1 part is 4, sir. Extremely sorry. 1 part will be 4, sir. And sir, 4 fives are 20, meaning milk is 20 liters. Let's go for the third one. Third one is sir 20 liters. There, milk and water. 20 liters, not whole 20 liters, because 90% of 20 liters, meaning it will be actually 18 liters, sir. So again, 90% of 20 liters. The ratio is 7:2, 9 parts. 9 parts is 18, 1 part is 2. So milk will be, sir, 14 liters and water will be, sir, 2 twos are 4 liters. Now, what is the ratio of total quantity of milk and total quantity of water? Total milk will be how much, sir? 21 plus 20, 41 plus this, that is 55 is 2. 14 plus 4, 18 plus 4, 22, sir. So this is 5:2, sir. Milk is to water, milk is to water. That's your answer. That is your answer, sir. Without a shadow of a doubt, this is your answer. Yes, it will take you a minute. Again, I'm not like solving questions of 30 seconds here. It will take you a minute, but again, it's okay. Not every question can be solved in 30 seconds. We are always concerned about the questions which are taking us a minute to solve. But again, nobody says when we can solve a question in 10 seconds. On Mondays, when I solve a question on 10 seconds, 20 seconds, nobody says, sir, this question can be solved in 10 seconds. Achha, where I've made the error? Sir, you see, because of the error, I haven't shown you any basic, like the shortcuts as well. The error that I had made in this cross multiplication, this one was 11 into this. This one will be 10 into this. Na? I have made 11 into this. So this will be 21 actually. So this one, the value of x will be 21 by 4, sir. You see, 21 multiple meaning 42 must be the answer. Okay, but still, chalo. Let me just do a little bit of the question. So 8x will be the answer, like this thing, the total volume. So 8 into 21 by 4. So you guys were correct. I was wrong. I made a simple, silly mistake. And that, right? Yes, exactly, brother. No question here is difficult because all the questions are from PYQs. Acha, let's have a discussion around this question because I wanted to, this question was ended abruptly. So this question can be solved in one line as well, without making all this fuss. But again, that can be done in a very special way because this question is very special. Why? Please understand, everyone. Is it okay if I just take this bit and move it somewhere along this? Okay? I'm just, because I need the space. This was your method number 1, sir. Let's have a discussion. But again, please understand this, the technique that I'm about to discuss, this cannot be used everywhere. But again, in many places, you can use it. Sir, what happened? Sir, there was liquid A and liquid B, which was 5:3 in this ratio. Now some replacement has taken place, and same quantity of B, meaning, sir, the addition that I am doing, that is of B, sir, not A. So, meaning, please understand, I am not tinkering with A. I'm only thing that I'm doing is with B. Only problem that is happening, only addition, vagera, everything is happening with B. Right? And at the end of the day, the ratio is becoming 10:11. So think 5:3. Can I write this as 10:3 meaning 6 double? Now, as I'm not doing anything with A, sir, so that is exactly how I'm thinking. I need to keep the A constant or the same. Now, this cannot be done every time. Again, it can be done, but again, the calculations will be very odd then. I have made sure that my A's are equal. Now, sir, that means in order from to get from here to here, I had to add 5 units, which was equivalent to what? Adding 10 liters of B. You see, replacement meaning what? I have added 10 liters of B as well. So 5 units is this, so 1 unit will be how much, sir? 1 unit will be 2 liters. Sir, how many liters are there? How many liters are there? Sir, you will say, sir, 10:11, meaning totals are 21 units. 21 into 2. So the solution was 42 liters. The same answer. Perfect, everyone. Now, this is a very definitely short trick, but again, you need a lot of maturity to be able to solve it. And this is kind of for everyone. Let's move on, sir. Let's not waste any more time because I have taken so many good questions today. Chalo, sir, everyone. Brother, again, remember, always remember, everyone. The method 2 is very good method for me to teach or for me to take kind of solve in YouTube. But again, please understand, think from your perspective, not from a faculty's perspective. Think from your own perspective. Not every time in that exam pressure you will be able to solve it this way. Not every time the values will be like prefixed. You will know the values. You will be able to apply these methods to those values. So always have the basic method meaning, not the school method, the methods that we used to use in school. I'm asking, always use the methods, always have keep it handy, the method that can be used to solve almost all the types of questions. That also you should know, the basics. Then only you go for the shortcuts. Chalo sir, next one please. Next one please. A and B are solutions of acid and water. The ratios of water and acid are given. X liters of A is mixed with Y liters of this. This becomes this. What is the X ratio Y? Sir, X liters of A is mixed with, this is a very easy question actually. Because they have framed the question in this manner, the question looks a little weird. But actually, this is a 10-seconder question. This is a 10-seconder question. This is a 10-seconder question. Can anyone tell me? Sir, those who know, they will say this is a simple allegation question, sir. And in these situations, you can allegate. The allegation variable can be anything, acid, water, anything. I'm taking acid, sir. Sir, acid, ratios of water and acid. Acha, let's take water then, not acid. So water in the first mixture is 4 out of 9 parts, 4 plus 5. Right? And in B, sir, this is 1 out of 1 plus 2, 3 parts. And if once the mixture is mixed, the acid, water to acid is this. So water is 8 out of 21 parts, sir. So alligate, you will find the ratio, sir. You will find the ratio. Now, again, allegation, you can do it in 2 ways. Here, I can multiply, sir, if you want. Let's multiply, sir. 21 and 9. 21 and 9 meaning, sir, 63. So let's multiply. So this is 7. 28, this one. This is 21. This is 24, sir. 28 and 4, this is 4. This is 3, sir. So ratio X is to Y will be option number C, 3 is to 4. You see, the question was only looking very weird. They have introduced X, Y, and whatnot. Perfect. Chalo. Sir. Chalo, yahi karte hain, sir. This is most probably this year's question, 2025. Sir, I've given you a minute. I have given you a minute, sir. Everyone, please solve. Please solve this, sir. I have given you a minute. Jaldi se banao, sir. Solve this very quickly. Solve this very, very quickly, sir. Solve this very, very quickly, sir. Done, sir. Time is up. Time is up, sir. Any answers? Chalo, 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 chalo. Acha. Let's see what we can do here. One type of pulse is sold 72 rupees per kg at 20% profit. Another type, this much at this profit. Okay. Varieties are mixed at this ratio and the mixer is being sold at this. Okay. What is the profit or loss percentage? So first things first, let's figure out the CPs. So 72 rupees is 20% profit, so CP is 60 rupees. Now, you should be proficient enough to calculate this 72 into 100 by 120. Over here, 60 is 25% profit. Again, if anybody needs help, 60 represents 125. I need 100. 25 fours, 25 fives. So this is 48 rupees. This is CP. Right? Now, sir, mixed in 2:1. So CP of the mixture will be what? Use weighted average. So I can simply use 60 into weight is 2 plus 48 into weight is 1 by 2 plus 1, 3, sir. 3 20s, 3 16s. 16 plus 40 plus 16 meaning 56. Now this 56 rupee item is being sold at 40, like 70. So profit of 14 rupees out of, sir, 56 rupees. So this is 4 times, meaning 25%. Sir, was this difficult? Was this difficult, sir? Option C. Tell me, was this very difficult? Honestly, a very, 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 very simple question. This is a 2025 PYQ. In prelims only they have asked. This year's question. Clear? Everybody clear, sir? You see, couple of lines only. Here a couple of lines, here one line. And honestly speaking, once you know 70 and 56, you should not need to write this stuff. You should be able to solve, you should be able to answer directly. Next one, please, sir. Sir, again, I'm telling you, if you go through all the PYQs of this year, you will find at least 10 questions having the same 3 ratios. You will at least find 10 questions, sir. So please do this. Those who have given the exam this year as well, they will attest to the fact. I'm telling this year meaning 2025 only, last year's. Till we get this year's examination, 2026, this year meaning 25 only. Chalo, 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 sir. Chalo, sir, everyone. Let's see what we can do. Do fifth question in other method. Okay, I have to check, brother, which is the fifth question. I'll go back. Let's do this, then I'll go back, brother. Let's do this, then I'll go back. First, you try this. I'm giving you a few seconds. This is a very interesting question. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Last 30 seconds. I know this might take you a little time. I'm giving you a little bit more time, but again, that doesn't mean the whole day. You need to pick up the speed, everyone. Need to pick up the speed, everybody. So it's all about you being able to play with the like ratios. It's all about you being able to play with the ratios. I've given you enough time. Sir, think how to solve. So the problem is I don't know the initial quantities. I just know the initial ratios. That's the problem. Right? Final ratio is also given. So let's use these two ratios. I'm assuming, sir, there were 2x liters, 3x liters, and 5x liters of liquids A, B, and C. Now 6 liters I've added, 12 liters I've added, and I don't know, let's say some P liters I've added. Now this ratio has become how much? 3:5:8, sir. Now again, if you try to take the whole thing together, you will like scramble. Take these two, where there is only one variable, that is x. That is equal to 3:5. Apply this, use this. So 2x plus 6 divided by 3x plus 12. You can take common and cancel and whatnot, but again, I'm doing it normally. 10x plus 5, 6 are 30, 9x plus 36. So x is 6. Sir, once you know this is 6, you see the wonderful thing. So 6, 12, and this is 18. So this is 18 plus 12, 30. This is 30 plus p, sir. This is given as 3, 5, and 8. Sir, take any two. Take any two to find the value of p, sir. That is what they are asking. Sir, I'm taking these two. So 30 by 30 plus p, it is 5 by 8. So p is 18, sir. P is 18 liters, which is option numbers. Yes, Ishani, absolutely correct. Again, how many lines? 3, 4 lines. This is also 2025 PYQ. Let me remind you this. Clear, everyone? So these are your important questions. Acha, sir, Kumar asked me to do the 5th question in the other method. Chalo, let's see. And again, for those who have done my classes, I like to do these things. Same question in 2, 3 different methods so that you can also understand how to think. Sir, let's say you don't want to do it in allegation. Allegation is hands down the easiest way. But again, you might be willing not to. Sir, total 9, total 3. Sir, what we can do? Sir, let's take, sir, this is 9 liter. Acha, X liters of A I have taken, na? It would have been better if I had taken, sir, let's take one thing. Sir, X equal to 9A liters, okay? Because I don't want to calculate fractions. X is to Y meaning 9A is to 9B. It's okay, na? Because the ratio, whenever we calculate, 9 will cancel. That's my goal. So in the 9 liters I've taken, sir, how much water will be there? 4A liter water, 5A liter acid. Perfect, everyone? Answer. एक second. And the this part, sir, 1:2, that is 9B. So 9B, 3 like parts total. Sir, every part is 3. So this will be 3B liters water, 6B liters acid, sir. Correct? Now total water is this, total acid is this. This ratio is given to you as 8 by 13, brothers. So 4A plus 3B by 5A plus 6B is 8 over 13. Now calculate, sir. 4 13s are 52A plus 39B, 40A, 48B, sir. So 12A is equal to 9B. A is to B is 3 is to 4. Because, and you see, whatever is A is to B, 9A is to 9B, that exactly is 6 is to Y. Done. I could solve most of the... No, brother, that's the reason. You see, in my... I can do one thing. You guys can join this group. I'm giving you DPPs every day. Okay, every day in the morning I send a DPP here of sectional tests. That is something I do from my own. So 25 questions I send, and you have 15 minutes of time. So if you want to solve that, you can join the Telegram. Okay. So here you will get the content every day, and all are PYQs. Everything is mentioned in the PDF. So just if you, again, that is the only way. If you want to improve the speed, the mock thing you are saying, you need to do all this. So again, if we have almost 75 days, so we can solve 70 into 75 into 25 questions at least through those DPPs, apart from all the other practices. Acha, now this PDF that we solved, along with there are 2, 3 other questions like that I had given. Why you had multiplied 3? Brothers, because 1:2 was the ratio. 1:2 was the ratio, brother, in the second case. But total I have taken 9b, na? So meaning 3 parts is 9b. So 1 part will be 3b. So that's why the multiplication of 3 I had to do in the second part. Clear? In case of the second solution. Now, with that being said, that will be all for today, sir. Now again, I'll come back with some different classes. Next week we'll do profit and loss this way only, not the easy regular questions which you get everywhere. Like again, picking these questions are not easy. I need to give time and effort to pick these good quality questions. Now this PDF is downloadable. You know, this is downloadable only through app, not from website. So go into the courses section if you want to download this annotated PDF. So there you will find a section called YouTube class PDF. From there you can download. Not now, but again after I upload it, which will take me an hour or so. I'll go back and upload. Okay. So after an hour or so, you will find access to the PDF as notes. So thank you so much everyone for joining me. I hope this class was fruitful. You enjoyed the session. We did something new which will be helpful. I can tremendously say so, especially tier 1 as well as for tier 2 as well. Don't forget about that. Now, if you have liked the session, please do hit the like. That's my only request to all of you. That gives the session a little more reach. And I'll again see you guys in the next class, which will be next week, Monday. Then again, we'll have back-to-back sessions planned. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye, everyone.